Yeah, I'm staying here at the Calm in Bang San. Yeah, it's a very nice hotel. I like it. It's probably one of the better ones I stayed at. It's right across from the water, and Pattaya somewhere that way. It's like it's an hour away from Bangkok. So I went out. I came in and I went out last night. And I noticed there's a lot of local people here. Just a lot of local, not too many tourists. But the most noticeable thing that I actually found about this place is that their service. Their service is off the hook. Yeah, they have a very good service, and like at the bar, the restaurants and stuff, they have very good service. And their beer is cheap. Their beer is cheap, and the servers, they give you distant. They don't they don't really get up on you or anything like that. They give you distant and they give you time to to make up your mind and what you want. Yeah, that's all right. You guys already know. You guys watch my video. Here comes the weatherman in me. Yeah, the weather's nice, but I think it's in the morning. Last night was hot and muggy, but right now it's yeah, right now it's pretty. There's a little breeze because by the water. You can see the coconut tree. You filming? Video? Video, Mike? Video man. Ở YouTube hả? Thailand. Long con hả? Con này DJI mà. Small DJI. Mà không được. Đâu nên remote. By night. Okay. Cut. Yeah, so I just ran to a local here. He's testing out his the Pocket 3. I think it's made from DJI, I think. Yeah, I'm doing my morning walk. So I just started this YouTube thing, and I still feel weird when I'm walking around a lot of people. When I'm just walking around a lot of people that are just talking to the camera. I'll get over it though. Sometimes I just whisper, and people still look at me. Yeah, look at this guy walking around with the camera in his hand, just talking to himself, laughing. The construction workers are coming up here. And it's Saturday morning, by the way. Looks like they're building another platform. Let me get out of this construction site. Yeah, at nighttime, I'm gonna see if I can get the video. I don't know how good this camera is for the nighttime video, and I don't know how to mess around with all the adjustment. I'm gonna try to film one at night. And I went in the 7-Eleven last night. The 7-Eleven right there. They have sticky rice, and those grilled pork as a meal. I think for 27 baht or something. I was tripping out. And I went to I think McDonald's, and they actually have kopiak. Right? I don't know how you say in Thai, but in Lao kopiak, right? They're for breakfast. I was like, oh shit. Yeah, I think they start setting up the food. It's a Saturday morning, so. Yeah. I was there last night. With the Goldang Yum. Yeah, Goldang Yum, and yeah, I was there Goldang Yum and thing. What time is it? 8:03. It's 8:03 in the morning. Yeah, I'm testing out my single lens on my 360. See how is it gonna come out with better quality. It's supposed to be a 5.7K for all the lens, but I'm not sure for one. Hopefully I get a 4K out of it. I don't know how that works, but I think that's how it works. Yeah, the water's high. This is the Bang San morning walk. So I probably won't do this walk video too long. Just want to show you guys a little bit of something. They got, and I noticed a lot of this down here. Bang San is like I think I mentioned it already, but south of Bangkok, right? And the one thing they don't really have is that much is khao niao, right? Because I don't think the south eat it. But I know the Chiang Mai area, a lot of people eat it. Chiang Mai area, I know for a fact Laos can. Let me see if I can get my camera higher. Look, you can even tow the boat with a kid on it, with motorbike. Look, the food truck, or food motor cart. Yeah, it's pretty cool. They make the best out of anything here. I mean, anything with wheels, they're rolling it. That's why I love the culture here. I love wheels. Let's see. Let me get in the sidewalk. And a lot of things are. Everyone just chilled because say this is a sidewalk. Was a sidewalk. Yeah, I think the food is gonna start coming in. It's kind of early in the morning when now all the food stalls start coming in, and everybody's gonna be sitting there chilling, eating. Get a spot. I'm gonna grab the spot myself too. As soon as I can burn some of this belly fat out, so I quit breathing hard on the camera, the microphone. Oh man, the coconut tree. I wonder if everything. One just came on, but one's on the ground, so I don't know if one of these ever catch somebody in the head. Somebody. Let me see if I can go in a little area here and see if I can show you how the water, the beach, the water. Yeah, you can sit right next to the water and just eat with your feet in the water. Yeah, so no, it's pretty cool. Yeah, and I don't know who this girl is right here. She keep popping up on my video. She might be stalking me or something. Yeah, so that's the kitchen on wheels. What you know about that? That's called a food cart. Yeah, I love that food cart. The little trailer. I think some lady across the street just played crying, and then she noticed I was filming. She stopped. That's funny. Power charger. Another 7-Eleven, the takeover. Yeah, there's a lot of 7-Eleven here in Thailand. I mean, it's just, and the 7-Eleven is probably like your best emergency, not even emergency, but just like, I don't know, if you're traveling, and that's probably the most known place around the world, I guess, 7-Eleven. Yeah, so here we go.